Hello and welcome back, dear children, to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. This is your book 1 and I am Vandana, and I am taking a book that is English Grammar plus Skills Unleashed workbook. And today we are going to do chapter 17, that is, the name of the chapter is Action Words. Yes, we are going to learn about some words that show us some or the other action. We are doing some or the other work, that is called action. Let's begin with the chapter. What action words tell us? In this chapter we are going to learn about action words and what they are telling us. Look at bunny. It lives in a burrow. So here the picture is of a bunny, and where it is going in its home, and the name of the home is burrow. So what it does? It lives. Means it does the work of living there. It digs burrows in the ground. What is his work? It digs burrows, means small holes in the ground. So what work he is doing? It is doing the work of digging. Next, four paws help in digging. These are the four paws, means the front hands of the bunny. These help in digging. So what is the work the four paws are doing? It is doing the work of helping. It keeps food in the burrow. So again here we are going to read keeps. The meaning of keep is, keeping is a work that the bunny is doing. So all these purple words or the pink words given in your book are the action words. It nibbles carrot. Nibbles means eats. So eating is also a work, and what work it does? The bunny eats carrots. So these all pink words are your action words. It does the work of living. It digs, it helps, keeps and nibbles. So all these works are done by the bunny and its paws and the various things. The words lives, digs, helps, keeps and nibbles tell us what the rabbit does. All these words are action words. So whatever work that rabbit is doing, those all words are action words. Action words tell us what people, animal or thing do. So whatever work we do, either the work is of writing something, eating, drinking, sleeping, any work, dancing, singing, any work that we do, that is called action words. Look at some more examples. Some more examples are given here. Here we can see a boy is very happy, he is reading something. So what work the boy is doing? He is reading a book. Here the girl is writing. The man is laughing. The girl is standing. So standing is also a work. Sit is also work. Sitting is also work. Sleeping, swimming and playing. So all these words written here that I have circled with a red sketch pen is a action word. Okay, let's come to the practice time. Here an exercise is given. Match the action words with the correct actions. So here some actions are given and here some words are given in your book. We have to match these. Cry. From all these pictures, who is doing this work of crying? Yes, this girl is crying. So we have to match it to here. Next is push. So here in all these pictures, this boy is pushing this box. Stand. Who is standing? Yes, this girl is standing here. Sing. Somebody is standing here with a mic. Yes, this girl is singing. And carry. This girl is carrying these books from one place to another. So we have to match this girl with carry. So this was the exercise. We do some changes in action words according to the doer. Doer means the person who does our work. So that person is called a doer. So when we do some changes in action words according to the doer or the person who performs the action. To understand it, let's study the table given below. Here a table is given. I work, you work, they work, the boys work, and we work. In all these sentences given in the A exercise or A table, we can see I, you, they, the boys, and we. These are the plurals or two in number, and with all these plurals we have used the same word, that is work. This action is used. What action is used? Work is used with all these. In the next table, let's come to the next table, B table. He, she, ate, the child, and Neha. All these that I have underlined, these are singular or one. And with all these singular words, here we have used word work, and here we have put a S with work. So it becomes works. Here we are using work, and in the next column we are using works. So it's you have to remember that all the plurals I and you also we have to use work, and with all the singulars we have to use S. So the rule says that with, here we can see, when the doer is he, she, it, when the person who is doing the work is any singular noun. So when we are talking about any singular noun like he, she, it, so these are the singular noun. Rahul, singular noun. With these we add S to the action words. So whatever action word is there, what we have to do? We have to add S to it. Like play becomes plays with he. Next, with all the those words that are not singular, we don't use S. S is not used with we, they, you, I. So with all these we don't use S. Look at some more examples. With I we have not put here S, but with he we have written here S. You play and Ravi plays. Here we can see with Ravi we have used S. So all those that are singular in nature, in those naming words or pronouns we use S. Now let's come to the exercise given here. Exercise says choose the correct action word and fill in the blanks. Here some action words are given, we have to choose from them and fill in the blanks. You means many, and with many what we use? We don't use S. So this one is wrong. We are going to write water. You water the plants daily. He means one. So with one we use yes. So the answer is waits. He waits for the school bus. The king, only one king is here, so we are going to put S. The king wears a crown. Again babies. Look at the question carefully. Babies means so many babies are here. So with so many babies we are going to write cry. And if there was only one baby we will be writing cries. Okay, Ramu is a singular noun, and with a singular noun we always put goes. E-S, S we have to put. My father, we are talking about only one father, then again we have to put S. Earns. My father earns money. So I hope you have understood that with a singular noun we always put S in the doing word. Come to next exercise, C exercise. In this we have to underline the action words in these sentences. Here first we have to find out what is the naming word, and we have to ask the question, who is doing that work? So a cat drinks milk. Here a cat is a naming word, and what work the cat is doing? It is doing the work of drinking. So we have to underline drinks. The dog wags its tail. So what the work the dog is doing? It is wagging its tail. It is wagging its tail. Tigers live in forest. What the work tiger is doing? It is doing the work of living. She likes chocolate. Likes is the action word here. Anu sings a song. Sings is an action word, and the bird sits on the branch of a tree. So bird is doing the work of sitting. So all these words that we have underlined here, these are the action words. These are the work done by the naming words here. Now come to D exercise. Use the following action words in your own sentences. So yeah, what we have to do, we have to use these words in our own sentence and complete the exercise. Oh, first is go. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. So this was our first sentence. Write it down quickly. Next is write. Manu writes clearly. So this is our second sentence. What is the work Manu doing? He is doing the work of writing. Sleep. We sleep at 9 p.m. So again we have used we with sleep. We sleep at 9 p.m. And the last one is your homework. You have to complete it. And the last word is brush. I know everybody can make a sentence with this word. So students, by this we come to end of our chapter, and I hope that you have understood what are action words and how to use them. Action words, let's quickly recall what we have learned in this chapter. In this chapter we have learned about action words. Action words are those words which tell us the work that a particular person or thing or an animal is doing, whatever work a doer is doing. And the second rule says that always with a singular naming word we add an S at the end of the action word. For example, father, and with father we are using an action word play. So father plays. We have to add S to the action word play and it becomes plays. So with all the singular naming words we always use an action word with a S at the end. I hope that you have understood everything in this chapter. If you have any queries related to any question, you can ask me in the comments. And also I want you to find at least 10 more action words and use them in your sentences. Find out 10 action words and use them. So this was all for today. I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Till then, stay elated. Thank you.